Are you tired of cluttering inboxes with mandatory invites that some people don't need? Learn to mark attendees optional in under a minute. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk through editing an existing Google Calendar event and changing attendance status step by step. So go ahead and click Create or Open an Existing Event to start. Then, click on the Bobby Team Meeting event to open it. Now click the Edit Event icon. That's the pencil icon. Then, click on an attendee and select Optional from the dropdown to mark them optional. Finally, hit Save to apply your changes. That's it. You've successfully made the event optional. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.